SMED in automotive manufacturing. In the realm of automotive manufacturing, Lean Six Sigma principles are effectively employed, with a specific focus on single minute exchange of die, SMED, techniques. SMED is a lean methodology that aims to minimize downtime during equipment changeovers, thereby enhancing production efficiency and responsiveness. Lean Six Sigma's integration with SMED in automotive manufacturing involves streamlining processes to rapidly switch between different production setups or vehicle models. By identifying and eliminating non-value-added steps, reducing unnecessary adjustments, and utilizing standardized tooling and procedures, manufacturers can significantly reduce changeover times. This leads to increased production flexibility, decreased inventory costs, and faster response to market demands. Through Lean Six Sigma and SMED practices, automotive manufacturing achieves higher productivity, reduced lead times, improved resource allocation, and lowered operational costs. This holistic approach not only fosters enhanced operational excellence but also allows automotive companies to remain competitive by meeting customer demands swiftly and maintaining high-quality standards in a rapidly evolving industry. Thanks for watching. Visit us at www.iq6sigma.com.